Yeah. My batteries are charged, so I'm good. Do your touch and go. You got to touch. All right, going out. All right, I should be taking off before you're here.
Timer cleared. Gear up, flaps up. Time remaining 3 minutes.
All right, I'm doing a touch and go.
Takeoff flaps, gear down.
Okay.
Time remaining 2 minutes. Flaps up, gear up.
Man, it is so foggy.
Yeah. Go too far out and you're too far out.
Yep.
Landing flaps.
Touch and go.
Gear up, flaps up. Time remaining 1 minute.
Okay.
Seconds.
Whoa.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Okay.
they fill up the whole nozzle. I mean, they fit up the whole thing.
Yeah.
How is that?
I just wish I'd painted the inside, because if you look closely, you can see it shines through the foam. But what I should have done is painted something silver inside or whatever.
To make it reflect?
Reflect more.
Yeah.
Because it shines through the foam.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Landing.
Hey, Ran, I'm landing.
One minute over. Flaps up.
Do they have? Can you buy those things separate from some company to put in other planes that don't have them?
Oh, what the?
The afterburner lights?
No, those are all custom. We did it ourselves.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
So you can buy something that will fit.
Yeah, it's just the adapter to put it onto the motor is 3D printed.
Oh.
Frank printed it out for me.
Oh yeah.
But all the other stuff I put together to make it work. It's believe it or not, it's an automotive bulb.
Oh yeah.
What it is, an 1157?
Yeah, that's a stoplight.
Yeah.
Stop. Brake.
I use the signal one instead, but you know, the ones you can put either way, either direction.
Sure.
I just cut off the part that slides in.
Where does it go that it doesn't interfere with the thrust?
It's right in. It's right along the motor. So if you look in there, it fits right along the profile of the motor.
Oh no.
So it doesn't even get in the way.
Right at the end.
Yeah. So it doesn't get in the way.
And it shows through both sides.
Yeah. Here, just look kind of to the side.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
That is.
Yeah. So it's this is an 1157, I think.
Yeah.
And we just had to.
But it's not a big 1157.
No. I had to cut the little tab off of it though. Is it 1157 or 3157?
It must be a newer bulb.
Yeah.
It's an LED, isn't it?
It's an LED. Yeah, it's all LED.
1157 was an element.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's that's the connector.
Right. Well, that's
Yeah.
cool. It's got a socket then, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, that's why I said 3157. Those are different. A little different. Those are like a blade. But either way, I cut it off. And then it's just the wires were exposed, and then I put it in that adapter, and that's it. Yeah.